how to use OpenTable points or redeem OpenTable points. To redeem or use OpenTable points that you have earned on the OpenTable app, first launch the OpenTable app and navigate to your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Here under your points, you will be able to go ahead and then basically see certain amount of point reward options and how you can make them or get them as well. Now after that, choose OpenTable Dining Reward Redemption. So you simply have to go to that particular option that says OpenTable Dining Reward Collection or Redemption right there, and you can select the number of points that you want to redeem and follow the instructions to activate your reward for a future reservation. After you've redeemed it, next time if you're trying to reserve something or a table on OpenTable, the redeemed points will be successfully and automatically applied to your next reservation. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.